The online version of Microsoft Word offers a great feature called Designer. To get started, we're going to create a document and then save it. I'm going to name this test document. You can see it's saved in my documents right there. Now that I have my document, I want to format this to make this a little bit more professional. You can always choose this at the beginning of your paper, but if you already have your notes written out, it's easy to design it as well. In the top right-hand section, we have our editor, and right next door we have Designer. When I click Designer, it's going to reformat my paper to make it a little bit more eye-catching. You can see that when I click Designer, it gives me a lot of options based on what I've already put into the text. It's looking through my text for clues such as these leaves, because this is a paper on trees. If I don't have any text, it's difficult for Microsoft Word to create options for the designer. There are also some very basic designs, but if I want something a little bit more flashy, when I select it, you can see that it starts to recreate my paper using all of the same words and all of the same errors that I had before, but adding in a little bit of flair. This is all still editable, so if I wanted to make the header smaller or choose other options, it'll recreate my paper in the format that I'm attempting. Now let's give it a title. I start by typing, but as it doesn't realize that this is yet my title, it's waiting to see what I want to do. So when I select my options, it doesn't really change anything. So first I have to highlight my paper and then go to Styles. You can see that when I've now named this a header, it's chosen the correct formatting. Let's put it in the center and try another option. You can see that when I select some different options, it now identifies the top as the title and changes the formatting accordingly. I can find one that I like, and I'm good to go. As I'm using the online version of Word, I don't have to save anything because all of my changes are updated and saved automatically. So now I will give it an author and change my alignment, and my paper is good to go.